Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're reviewing the Garmin Enduro 3. This is a rugged GPS smartwatch made for endurance athletes, hikers, ultra runners, and people who love the outdoors. If you want a watch that can last for weeks, track all your stats and survive the wild, this one is worth a look. The first thing you'll notice is how tough the Enduro 3 looks. It has a rugged and clean design. The body is built from titanium or stainless steel, depending on the model. It feels strong, yet light on your wrist. The bezel has a diamond-like carbon coating to resist scratches. Whether you're in the forest, on a mountain, or running through dust and dirt, the Enduro 3 can take it. The display is a 1.4-inch memory and pixel screen. It's not AMOLED, but that's by design. It stays clear in bright sunlight and uses less power. It's always on, and the glass is protected by Power Sapphire or Gorilla Glass, depending on which version you pick. It's not flashy, but it's practical. When you're in extreme conditions, that's what matters. Battery life is the biggest highlight. This watch is built for ultra endurance. You get up to 31 days in smartwatch mode, up to 86 hours in GPS mode, and even more with solar charging. Yes, the Enduro 3 has solar charging built in. If you're outdoors and in sunlight often, the battery life just keeps going. It's one of the longest lasting watches Garmin has ever made. Even better, the battery doesn't just last long. Garmin also gives you tools to control it. You can switch between battery modes, like max battery GPS and expedition mode. These help you stretch the battery even more, depending on your activity. It's all about giving you freedom without worrying. About charging every day. Let's talk about performance. The Enduro 3 uses Garmin's latest chipset. It's smooth and fast. GPS locks in quickly, and the heart rate sensor updates fast. The menus are easy to scroll, and everything feels quick. You don't get lag, even when switching between heavy modes or maps. Speaking of GPS, it's top tier. The Enduro 3 has multiband GNSS. That means it connects to multiple satellites at once, including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. You get super accurate tracking, even in deep woods or canyons. It also supports CTQ, which smartly adjusts your GPS mode based on your environment. That way, it saves battery when high accuracy isn't needed. For navigation, the Enduro 3 includes topographic maps, ski maps, and public land maps. You can use breadcrumb trails, set waypoints, and navigate back to your starting point. The built-in altimeter, barometer, and compass are great for hikers and climbers. Everything works offline, so you don't need a phone signal to find your way. It also includes advanced metrics for training. That includes VO2 max, training readiness, load, recovery time, and stamina tracking. Garmin's stamina tool is very useful. Shows how much energy you have left during a run or ride. You can pace yourself better and avoid burnout. The Enduro 3 supports dozens of sports: running, cycling, swimming, hiking, mountain biking, triathlon, skiing, rowing, and more. It also has specialized modes like ultra run and adventure racing. The watch records everything: distance, pace, heart rate, elevation, and even sleep and stress. You can view the data on the watch or in the Garmin Connect app. For heart rate and health tracking, the Enduro 3 uses Garmin's latest Elevate V5 sensor. It gives better accuracy during workouts and rest. You also get blood oxygen tracking, sleep scores, HRV, and respiration rate. Garmin focuses more on wellness and long-term health, not just steps or calories. Sleep tracking is very detailed. It shows deep sleep, light sleep, REM, and awake times. You also get a sleep score and tips to improve rest. It's all done automatically and synced with your phone in the morning. There's no need to start or stop it. It just works in the background. The watch is very strong in safety features. You get incident detection, emergency alerts, and live tracking. If you fall or need help, the watch can send your location to emergency contacts. It can be a life-saving feature if you're out running or hiking alone. You also get smart features. The Enduro 3 supports smartphone notifications, calendar alerts, and weather updates. You can view messages, calls, and app alerts right on the screen. If you have an Android phone, you can even send quick replies. There's no LTE model, so your phone still needs to be nearby. Garmin Pay is built in. Lets you tap and pay at stores with contactless payment. You also get music control, but no onboard storage for music. That's one downside, you can't download Spotify songs directly to the watch, like some other Garmin models. If music is important to you, that might be a deal breaker. The Garmin Connect app works great. It shows all your stats, sleep, heart rate, workouts, and more in easy-to-read charts. It syncs fast and lets you customize settings. You can also download new watch faces and apps from the Connect IQ store. Water resistance is up to 100 meters. You can swim, shower, or get caught in heavy rain with no worries. It's also safe for pool or open water swimming. The GPS and heart rate sensors still work well underwater. The interface is button-based, no touchscreen. This is by design. Physical buttons work better with gloves, sweat, or water. It might feel old school to some, but it's reliable. You get 5 buttons, and once you learn them, navigating becomes second nature. The strap is made from nylon or silicone. Both are lightweight and comfortable. You can wear it all day and night without discomfort. The watch is large, but it's not too heavy. Garmin made sure the fit works for endurance use, even during multi-day adventures. Now, let's look at pros. First, the battery life is outstanding. You can go weeks without charging. The GPS is super accurate, and the multi-band system works well. It's rugged and tough. It's also loaded with training tools, health tracking, and outdoor maps. Made for serious athletes and explorers. Now the cons? There's no AMOLED screen. It's not a big deal outdoors, but it's less colorful. There's no touchscreen, which some people may prefer. There's no music storage, which is a big miss at this price. And the price is high. This is not a casual smartwatch. Made for people who will use all the features. So what's the final verdict? The Garmin Enduro 3 is a serious GPS watch. It's built for people who train hard, push limits, and need a watch that can keep up. If you hike, run ultramarathons, or explore wild places, this watch won't let you down. It's strong, smart, and incredibly long-lasting. But if you're looking for flashy features or everyday use, there might be better options for you. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. To our channel, we've got more deep dives and tech reviews coming your way. See you in the next video.